In this video, we listed the 5 best mirrorless cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Canon EOS R5 Camera. The Canon EOS R5 is a high-performance mirrorless camera designed for professional photography and videography. It features a 45-megapixel full-frame, backside illuminated CMOS sensor that delivers exceptional image quality, low light performance, and fine detail. Powered by the advanced Digic X image processor, it offers an ISO range of 100 to 51,200, expandable to 102,400, ensuring excellent detail and minimal noise. The camera supports high-speed continuous shooting at up to 12 frames per second with a mechanical shutter and 20 frames per second with an electronic shutter. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF system boasts 1,053 autofocus points, covering nearly 100% of the frame, with advanced subject tracking using deep learning technology and eye control AF for intuitive focus selection. The EOS R5 also excels in video capabilities, supporting 8K RAW recording and 4K video at up to 120 frames per second with autofocus. Additional features include sensor shift image stabilization, multiple aspect ratios, and compatibility with Canon RF mount lenses, making it a versatile tool for professionals. Number 2. Nikon Z8 Camera. The Nikon Z is a cutting-edge camera featuring a 45.7 MP stacked CMOS sensor paired with the powerful X-Speed 7 processing engine, delivering exceptional image quality and performance. Its advanced autofocus system, developed using deep learning technology, offers precise subject detection and 3D tracking, even in low-light conditions as dim as -9 EV. This system can track a wide range of subjects, including people, pets, vehicles, and more. The camera supports versatile still image file formats such as RAW 14-bit, high-efficiency RAW, 10-bit HEIF, and JPEG 8-bit, along with internal video recording capabilities of up to 8K, 60p and 4K, 120p in 12-bit NRAW and ProRes RAW formats. Additional features like skin softening, portrait impression balance, and improved white balance make capturing stunning portraits effortless. With blazing fast continuous shooting options of 20, 30, 60, and 120 frames per second, sensor shift image stabilization, and a flexible ISO range starting at an expanded minimum of 32, the Nikon Z is designed for both professional photographers and videographers seeking top-tier performance and versatility. Number 3. Sony Alpha 1. This camera features a 50.1 MP full-frame stacked XMOR RS CMOS sensor with integral memory, delivering exceptional image quality. Powered by the next-generation Beyond's XR image processing engine, it offers 8x more processing power for enhanced performance. It supports blackout-free shooting at up to 30 frames per second, thanks to its fast sensor readout speed. The camera is equipped with a world-first 240 frames per second refresh rate, 9.44 m.0.64-inch QXGA OLED electronic viewfinder, EVF, and an advanced anti-flicker mechanical and electronic shutter for precise shooting. It includes sensor shift image stabilization, supports various aspect ratios, 1.50 to 1, 16 to 9, 4 to 3, and captures in HEIF, JPEG, and RAW formats. The camera features a maximum focal length of 24 mm, a maximum aperture of f/2.8, and an expanded ISO minimum of 50. It is compatible with Sony E-mount lenses and offers versatile metering modes such as center-weighted average, highlight-weighted, multiple, and spot. Number 4. Sony Alpha ZV E1. This Sony Alpha ZV E1 a full-frame 12.1 MP XMOR sensor optimized for 4K video, offering exceptional sensitivity and speed. It supports 10-bit 4:2:2 recording with direct pixel readout in long-GOP or all-intra formats, ensuring high-quality video output. Designed for creatives, it includes a cinematic vlog setting to simplify the creation of stunning visuals. Equipped with a dedicated AI processor and real-time recognition technology, it provides accurate subject tracking for enhanced performance. The device also boasts 5-axis in-body image stabilization with dynamic active mode for stable recordings. Compatible with Sony E-mount lenses, it has a maximum focal length of 60mm, a maximum aperture of f/4, and supports HEIF, JPEG, and RAW file formats. Additional features include a CMOS photo sensor, digital image stabilization, and a multi-zone metering system, making it a versatile tool for photography and videography. Number 5. Sony Alpha 7C. The Sony Alpha 7C is the world's smallest and lightest full-frame camera, designed with advanced features for photography and videography enthusiasts. It is equipped with a 24.2 MP back-illuminated 35mm full-frame CMOS image sensor, offering exceptional image quality and performance. The camera supports multiple aspect ratios, 16:9, 1:1, 3:2, and 4:3, and provides sensor-shift image stabilization for steady shots. It captures images in JPEG and RAW formats, with an ISO range expandable from 50 to 204,800, ensuring excellent performance in various lighting conditions. The camera features a maximum focal length of 35mm, a maximum aperture of f/5.6, and 1x optical zoom. For video recording, it delivers 4K resolution with full pixel readout, no pixel binning or cropping, HDR support, and 2160p video capture. Its advanced autofocus system includes 693 phase detection and 425 contrast AF points, covering 93% of the image area for precise focusing. Ideal for both stills and video, the camera is a compact yet highly capable tool for creators.